When presenting the Goa Budget 2023-24 on Wednesday, Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has proposed a mobile application with a declared aim to show zero tolerance to extortion threats. The app will help citizens facing such threats to report such matters to the police so that quick coercive action as per law can be taken, Sawant declared in Goa Assembly. He also said his government would draft a new Goa Police Bill, a new rule for casino regulation, and make the Goa Welfare Pension Scheme for Seafarers permanent.
Speaker Sir, I assure the people of Goa that my government will show the zero tolerance to any form of the extortion threats. My government will soon launch a mobile app so that such cases could be reported directly to the police and quick coercive actions as per the law can be initiated. My government will also initiate the process of drafting the new Goa Police Bill 2023 in line with the model bill prepared by MHA. Speaker Sir, I propose to make Goa Welfare Pension Scheme for Seafarers permanent in order to aid the seafarer. Speaker Sir, my government to intend notify the new rule for the casino operation in the state under the Goa Daman and Diu and Public Gambling Act 1976 to regulate the casino operating in the state.
Bureau Report, Herald TV.